In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an inactive private server here on Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But maybe your server is just sitting there all inactive and you're frustrated because you can't get inside. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get it turned on and ready for action. First things first, here on the Roblox page, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually select the game that you have that private server on. For example, we're going to use Grow a Garden. And once you do get on the official game page for that, you're going to want to scroll down and you'll see an option for servers on here. Go ahead and select that and it's going to redirect you to this page where you'll want to find your private server. You may notice in this section it's going to say something like inactive. Obviously we can't have that, can we? Let's go ahead and fix that. Go to the top right section of your server and click on these three dots and then hit configure, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And within this section, you're going to want to flip the switch right here that says allow joining on, just like so. This is basically the turn me on button for your server. You can also toggle allow connections on right here if you want to let your friends slip in and join you. Just be careful who you're inviting. Not everyone deserves access to your private space. Finally, when you go back to your page by clicking this back arrow up in the very top and hit this refresh tab, you're going to see that it no longer says inactive right here, meaning that your server should now be active and ready to enter. But that's it. Your Roblox server is no longer sitting idle. It's active, open, and waiting for you, and maybe even a couple friends if you're into that. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.